Greetings, adventurers. Today, we're going to talk about food bear safety and the Ursack. So, when you're out on trail or in the wilderness, it's important to keep your food safe, not only for yourself, but for the bears too. If bears get your food, they can associate food with humans, and then they will frequent human places like campsites or places where they know humans are going to be, because they will know they'll get food. The other reason is for your own safety, because if you're days away from a trailhead and a bear gets all your food, that's going to be a pretty miserable time for yourself. So it's not only for the bear, but also for yourself. There are a couple different methods of keeping your food safe from bears. One of the most common is using a bear hang, or hanging your bag in a tree. Another common method, which is required in some national parks and stuff, is a hard side canister. And another method that I've recently discovered and I love is the Ursack. Ursack comes from the Latin word ursa, meaning bear. It is a spectral woven fabric made of Kevlar. This here is the Ursack Minor XL. It is a 15-liter bag. It holds about 6 to 7 days worth of food. They have a couple of the other sizes. I will leave a link to their website in the description. I'm not going to go over all the sizes and everything, because they used to just have like small, medium, large, but now they have a couple different types. The number one reason why I use the Ursack is the simplicity of it and the ease of use. I hung my bear bag for many years, and I probably never once did it correctly. So first of all, again, this is not waterproof. So some people go for the Ursack, which is scent proof. I've never had a problem with critters or anything like that, but I want my food to stay dry. So I put it in a Sea to Summit Ultrasil Nano dry bag. Right. Now I'm going to take my food and put it into my Ursack, just like that. And now if you see on the opposite side, you got the ropes coming out. On the opposite side, there's 2 holes. You're going to take these ropes and put them through these holes, crisscrossing it in an X. See? So when you look at it from here, the strings cross. And then you're going to pull it tight. Pull on both of them. You want to get this hole as small as possible. You don't want any rodents, mice, or anything getting in there. And now we're going to tie a double overhand knot. Beautiful. Make it look all nice and pretty. Awesome. And now nothing's going to get in that top. No mice, squirrels, chipmunks. And now we're going to find a tree to hang it on. Alright, so I found a tree here. It's a nice thick tree with a V in it. I think it would be offers nice protection because it has all this other stuff around it. It's gonna create a nice little protection so the bear doesn't get good leverage on the bag if he finds it. So I got my V there. I need to wrap it around the tree through the V and tie a figure 8 knot. Like that. Now, figure 8 knot is a clinching nut, so no matter how hard someone pulls on it, it's not going to tighten up. It'll be easy to get undone. This cord is a high tensile strength cord, and it has reflective tracers in it so you can see it in the dark. The bag also has this orange tag, which is also reflective. There is no way anything's getting this out of the tree without untying that knot. Now in the morning when I wake up and it's time to get my food, I'm just going to come over here and untie my figure 8 now. And there we have it. When you put your string around, you're going to come around, put the 2 strings together. Let's try to get them a little even here. Alright, put your strings together so you have 2 strings. Make a loop. It's called a bit. You're going to go around an additional time and then go through the loop. Right? And there we have a figure 8. So that's pretty much it for the Ursack. It has totally changed my safety out in the wilderness as far as my food goes. My bear bags were never good. Usually they were low enough for me to reach. There were definitely times when I didn't even hang, like it was too, I couldn't find a place to hang it, so I just would find a tree to set it next to for the night. And just luckily enough, nothing found it, so I was lucky in that part. But to solve that, I went with the Ursack, and it's been a lifesaver ever since. It saves me probably an hour every night. When you're tired and you get to camp, you just want to relax, eat some food. You don't want to be spending 25-30 minutes looking for a tree and then another 30 minutes trying to hang your bag in it. That's no fun. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys do to take care of your food and protect it from bears? And please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next Monday on Happy Trail Backpacking.